welcome back my another video English journey with Khushi. So today I'm very happy because today I met with my old friend, and today this video it will be very special because we know all things. We know how to write English and we know how to speak English. We know how to read English. But whatever we have get chance to talk to someone, that time we just our mind is going blank. We are just not able to talk to someone because lack of social interaction, lack of confidence. So today we are going to talk to someone and we have to getting confidence and how to talk to a stranger person. So let's go. And you can see there is my friend they are also learning English. So first of all I will go to introduce themselves. Okay, what is your name? First of all, tell for my viewers.
My name is Practice. Hello guys. I'm coming here because of learning and grab environment to talk with a friend and grab the environment to speak in English.
Because just guys, you can feel that moment because we are just speaking here and so many people are watching us and they are thinking that what they are doing here. We are just getting us fluency. Just we have to increase our confidence because of that thing. And Uncle, you have to yes tell me. You should give your introduction.
Okay. So, hello guys, this is Miss Shalini and I am also learner.
Yes, which kind of facing problem while learning this language?
In this time, I have faced that time I have faced many problems, guys. Like I feel unconfident. I feel fear.
Yes,
I feel
because because of
lack
liking of speaking, she is not able to speak front of people. Yes.
Yes, and I am also thinking how to speak English in other person.
You should also introduce yourself for my viewers.
Hello everyone. This is me, Julie Modanwal, and I'm from Shahganj, and I'm settled in Lucknow, and I'm learning English language. I'm unable to speak in English language because of lack of interact with people.
Yes,
And
you are right.
I have forget this making a sentence, and
Yes.
I have forget this
Yes.
word. This is
This,
yeah.
yes.
I'm in this time I have to learn English and in this time very important English language.
Exactly, it's
true.
Yes.
Because of
Whatever we have like getting individual talk like random any topic we have get, but that time we are not able to just explain about it because of lack of interaction, because of lack of knowledge, lack of proficiency. We don't have any type of knowledge, so how can we talk?
Hey everyone, this is me Ashar. How are you all? I hope you are doing good. As my friends said, they are facing a lot of problems. Then I was starting my English learning. I am also face this kind of problem. It's not only my problem. It's not only your
Problem for everyone.
It's
Yes.
problem for it's problem of everyone. So you don't need to worry about this. You should only think. You should only need to understand this fact.
Yes.
Because it happened with everyone.
Because we can learn something, we can write something, we can read something.
Yeah.
But whatever we have get chance to talk to someone, that time we are not able to talk. So you also focus in that thing, like you have to grab the knowledge and you should know about what is the going on in your society. So today let's go for talking to some stranger because there are so many strangers are sitting there. So we have to know about their thoughts.
We are very excited to talk with them.
Yes.
So let's go.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अंकल हम जानना चाहते हैं कि मतलब आप क्या करते हैं एंड आपका नाम क्या है? ओके, आप कौन सा काम करते हैं?
कौन है ये लोग, कहाँ से आते हैं?
अच्छा, तो आपकी फैमिली में कौन कौन है अंकल? अच्छा, जस्ट
not an uncle.
ओके ओके ओके, सो कैन आई कॉल ब्रदर?
Yeah.
यस. Okay, so brother, tell me how many member in your family? आपके फैमिली में मतलब कौन कौन से है आपके फैमिली में? कोई नहीं है, बस आप अपना काम कर रहे हैं. ओके, थैंक यू अंकल. So just we are just English learner. Just we are doing practice how to interact the people. You know, confidence. Just we want to talk to someone. So
Yeah,
just
that's like a great thing to talk, interact with each other, like some random people.
yes,
So
yes.
it will like
Because you
build
know,
their confidence
because
in
you
you.
know, brother, like whenever we have get chance, like whenever we have get any topic to talk to someone, that time our mind is going blank because of lack of proficiency. We
Yeah.
don't have knowledge about it. So how can we talk?
Yeah,
So
that's
just
yeah.
please.
Actually, I was a software developer by profession. Okay,
Mhm.
so like we have like clients meeting, like we have international clients, so we interact with them on the Google Meet. So we try to we have to think about what we have to present, what we have to speak next in the mind first.
Yes, yes.
Then we have to speak.
Yes.
Like if we want to take any break, like you can take 1 or 2 second break. Then you don't have to not say something wrong. You have
Yeah.
first you have to think about that.
Yes,
Yeah.
but you can think this girl like like they are just want to talk to someone.
Okay.
Society.
Like you are speaking English very well.
Hmm.
So can you share some tips?
Your opinion. Yes.
So I
Yes, your opinion,
I
because
just shared
my
like
viewers will watching our
you are
video. Just
speaking
we
very
have
well.
to get knowledge
yeah.
about this video.
I just shared first think about that, like what you have to say, like just take 1 or 2 seconds, like if you want you have to do like some symbols like that, just like me, I was like shaking my hand.
Yes.
Yeah.
While speaking, just our body is shivering
Yeah,
that time. We are
yeah.
not able to talk
Yeah.
to someone. Yes.
And which kind of problem are you facing when you are learning English?
I feel like what you have to the normal things, the grammar and the small things. Yeah.
And you know, sometimes we are facing like we know everything. We know all
We also
grammar
don't know
words.
what we have to say, some Hindi word to English, or what
Yeah,
how
how to
can we
co-
express
yeah.
that
We can't
feeling.
express. We are not able to express our words.
Yeah.
Guys,
That's-
whatever you want to ask them, you can ask, because we are just getting a chance to talk to someone. Yes. Prachi, what do you want to ask?
First of all, thank you,
so
brother,
cute.
because you are the only person I get you're talking with very friendly, and you also share your knowledge, and you said you are working in a software engineer.
Yeah.
So, how is your journey? You are doing in your home or in somewhere, any company you're going?
No, I was working in an IT company.
Okay.
So yeah, today I was
So
on leave.
brother, I want to know about your thought. What do you want to say about those people? They are just preparing English exam, and they are just want to speak fluently anywhere. So what do you want to say about those people?
First of all, you are the guys of the 4-5 members, so you can interact with each other.
Yes,
You can share
yeah.
you can just interact with the girls I think you are living in the hostel, so you can interact with the some other girls also.
You know, but problem is that like we are just able to talk to each other because we
You
are
can
friends.
also watch the English movies,
Yes,
you have you
because
seen that?
we are friends. But what about we don't have need to talk to stranger people. We don't have need to know about our society.
Like you guys are talking with me with very
Yes.
confidently.
And just
I think
I'm
there are very less girls which have the ability to talk the random guy and you have the
It is the
confidence,
reality.
you are not
Julius,
trash.
what do you want to ask?
I will also get shy when we talk. I talk to any guy. Just a random girl. Yeah.
But you have confidence.
Yeah.
Just you are talking with your confidence. Okay, thank you,
Thank you.
brother. And you have giving. And okay, तो आपका नाम क्या है? अनुराग. माइक कुछ लगा लो. तो आप क्या कर रहे हैं अभी?
मैं बैंक में जॉब कर रहा हूँ.
बैंक में जॉब करते हैं. तो अभी आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं?
नहीं जॉब कर रहा हूँ.
जॉब कर रहे हैं. तो मतलब आप लखनऊ के, प्रॉपर लखनऊ के?
मैं सीतापुर के रहने वाला.
सीतापुर के रहने वाले. अभी फिलहाल इस एरिया में रह रहे हैं.
Last 10 years से रह रहा हूँ.
Yes, you should also ask one question because we are getting chance to talk to someone. So okay, so which kind of problem just you are facing?
बहुत सारे स्ट्रगल्स हैं लाइफ.
हाँ, वो तो है.
जॉब, सक्सेस, मनी.
Yes, and money is the biggest problem for everyone. But I think like हम लोग हमेशा पैसे के पीछे भागते हैं. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि जस्ट हम लोग पैसा कमा के खुश रह सकते हैं?
मेरे नजर में तो है, क्योंकि जब पैसा नहीं होता है ना, असली तकलीफ तभी पता चलती है।
Yes,
बात तो सही है।
अभी
You are
मैम
right.
थिंग चल रहा है, तो इस वक्त सभी को दिक्कत होगी। जो भी जॉब करने वाले हैं सभी के साथ ये है। पैसा होता है कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, क्योंकि आज की सोसाइटी ऐसी है ना, जिसके पास पैसा नहीं उसकी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है।
आप बता सकते हैं कि
you should
इंग्लिश
come.
लैंग्वेज इम्पोर्टेंट है कि नहीं जॉब के लिए?
हाँ,
Little
क्योंकि
bit
आपका
important
क्योंकि
है।
आप बैंकिंग में काम कर रहे हैं, तो
जी।
आप फेस करते होंगे दिस टाइप ऑफ
कई
प्रॉब्लम।
ऐसे कस्टमर्स आते हैं, जैसे ये यूपी है हमारा, इधर नॉर्थ में काफी हिंदी चलती है, लेकिन जो साउथ के आते हैं वो हिंदी ज्यादा नहीं बोलते हैं, वो एज इंग्लिश ही प्रेफर
English.
करते हैं या अपने होम लैंग्वेज प्रेफर करते
And
हैं।
you know, whatever you have get chance to like taking meeting, having meeting to someone, that time I think
लिटिल
you
बिट इंग्लिश इज इम्पोर्टेंट।
yes, you are right, you are right, and you also speaking little bit English.
No.
And you know, we should like we because of job, because of study, just we are giving importance of English. So sometimes English is important.
जी।
एंड आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा, आपने अपने बारे में बताया और ये बताया। सबसे पहले मोटिवेशन इनके थ्रू हमें ये मिला कि मतलब मनी सच में इम्पोर्टेंट है, एंड तभी तो सब लोग पैसा के पीछे भाग रहे हैं।
नहीं, एक टाइम था, आज से लगभग 10 से 15 साल पहले, लोग रिलेशन को या अपने फैमिली को ज्यादा मैटर करते थे, या रिश्तेदारों को। आजकल जिनके पैसा होता है, रिश्तेदार भी उन्हीं के वहां जाते हैं, या आप भी अपने आप घर नहीं बुलाएंगे, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं,
Yes, you are right.
क्योंकि अपना आपको सोसाइटी।
And thank you so much for you are just having me opportunity. I can make, and thank you for watching. If you want to this type of video, so please you should subscribe my channel.
I can subscribe my friend channel. Bye guys.